My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS 10 long years. I'm a national expert in resolution. Go to my website and you can see everything that I've done. I've been on national TV about 10 times. I only put about 6 videos up there. But anyway, at the end of the day, today I'm going to talk about payroll taxes. I was a revenue officer, so I would enforce the law, shut businesses down, sell assets. I was one of the guys you didn't want me to see coming at your door, your business door, if you owed back payroll taxes. IRS is tough on payroll taxes, and it's really their concentration area right now is payroll taxes. Why? It's money that was held in trust and it was never turned back over to IRS. So IRS wants that money, and the revenue officers that are working cases now have a concentrate to go after those payroll taxes, because they've been giving out refunds on this money, and guess what? You haven't paid the tax on it. So what do you have to do to get back in the good graces of IRS fast? Well, the first two things you have to do is you have to file all your back tax returns that you owe, 1040s, 941s, 940s, 1120s. You may say it's not easy. IRS wants to know that you've started. Really important. It's the first thing I would ask. Second question, have you started correcting the problem, making federal tax deposits? If you've answered no to both of those questions, you're going to have a really hard time with IRS. So what you need to do is start integrating those things into what you're doing, implementing, I should say, and to start doing these two things. So IRS says, okay, you want to do good, we can go ahead and worry about the back debt, but we know going forward you're going to do okay. So we can kind of leave you alone, but let's look at what's going on, how I can get us paid. You have to have an exit strategy. What's an exit strategy? How are you going to pay the debt? Should your business continue to be open? Can you go ahead and can you actually stay in business? Do you have a strategy to pay the back tax debt? It's hard to owe back payroll taxes, to stay current and start paying the back tax debt with penalties, interest. It's very, very difficult. I know this because I'd say 80% of the businesses can't survive a big payroll tax problem. But anyway, if you need me, I know exit strategies that can help you keep your business open. Like I said, I've worked thousands of these cases for the United States government. Like I said, I used to close businesses down. But take my tips, do the two things that I said, you'll be okay. And you may want to call before IRS does. It's helpful. If they've already called, I'll need to speak to the revenue officer. Anyway, thank you so much for listening today. Take my advice, you'll do well. Give me a subscription. I'm always available for representation. Thank you so much.